How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we're going to be talking about exactly, can we see a short seller attack on Tesla stock? We're going to talk about it in detail in this video coming up. As you can see over here, the votes are finalized. The final result is that 57.9% of people voted yes for Elon Musk to sell 10% of his shares. That is worth more than $20 billion. And we have 42.1% that voted no. He specifically stated that he's going to be abiding by this poll results. So this is going to be super massive for Tesla stock. We're currently sitting close to all-time highs for Tesla, and this news is not looking good. The majority of the time when these kind of events happen, when he tweets something that is related to this stock, and if it's on the negative side, this stock potentially dropped significantly. The last time this happened, he tweeted that Tesla stock was high. The stock dropped 8%. This time it's more serious because he is going to be selling his shares. He's going to be dumping billions of dollars of his shares onto the market. That is going to be a lot of selling pressure. Now, is this going to attract massive short sellers that has been crushed by Tesla stock? We know that the majority of people at the beginning of this decade, they really liked Tesla stock to the downside. They were basically pouncing on it, stating, going on social media and CNBC saying that electric vehicle companies are not the future. Tesla's not going to survive. They have massive bets. Even Jim Cramer was saying that, hey, you know what? Don't buy it. Short Tesla for the short term. He was saying that more than a decade ago. But this stock did not look back. Of course, there's been a lot of challenges. The stock has been going up and down for months and months. But now people are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, and we're seeing massive believers for Tesla, and the majority of the short sellers basically bow down and they're not betting against Tesla stock anymore. However, that does not mean that they cannot come back and pounce on this massive opportunity that is presented to them right now. So what they can possibly do is that even though they lost the war, the long-term war, they can come and battle this short-term battle that they have in front of them, right? So this could potentially be a very great short-term trade for them if they believe that this stock price is going to go down. We have important catalysts that came out that can definitely help the stock a little bit to go to the upside, which is the $1 trillion worth of infrastructure bill that passed. That set aside more than $7 billion for EV charging stations. That was a positive news. But this tweet by Elon stating that he's going to be selling his shares based on this poll, that is definitely more downside pressure for this stock. That is coming. That is inevitable, right? So any day trader, any swing trader that believes that Tesla stock is going to go down based on the evidence that is provided, they're going to come and pounce. So we might see a short-term short seller, quote unquote, attack, basically. Hedge funds coming in and trying to basically take advantage of this short-term volatility. You know, maybe they believe in the stock for the long term. They might come and basically try to make a few $1 million based off of the potential sell-off that can happen, right? We also have some day traders, swing traders, retail investors that can come and they want to be part of this sell-off that can potentially happen. Of course, you never know for the stock market, but right now, so far, based off of history, usually when these kind of things happen for Tesla stock, the stock price goes down. But in the past, Tesla is not in a lot of, index funds and not in a lot of ETFs and etc. So the blow might be not that hard, but still the volatility is there. Hedge funds can come in and try to take advantage of him. They have a day trading staff that they train, right, to come and take advantage of when the volatility increases. So that's going to be one of the important news to watch. So in the short term, we might see a lot of short sellers coming back into the game to basically pounce on Tesla stock and potentially make money. So at the end of the day, even if you believe the stock price is going to go short term, it could potentially see a slight dump down to the downside. That is inevitable. That is basically can happen. Of course, there's a slight chance that it might not happen, but the majority of the time, we might see some kind of selling pressure based off of news. We might gap down tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. So just be prepared. short sellers might come in and attack the stock, so we might see some sell-off happening. So let me know in the comment section below if you're going to buy the dip, how long are we going to go to the downside. But hey, this is a great opportunity to buy the dip in this stock if you believe in the long term, but just make sure you do not catch the falling knife, because you never know how low this thing can go. It's super extended. We might potentially see dropping all the way to $1,100. So be on the lookout for that. But make sure you like the button. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the links in the description box if you want to get free stocks. But I catch you guys on another video. Deuces.